Just a nice and easy cruising lap.
Of course.
Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring, and welcome to amazing Manthey-Racing track day, featuring in this video the car that I've been trying to feature over the last weeks, maybe months, but Michael or I were too busy to be able to make an appointment together. But finally, the stars have aligned.
Oh, sorry.
Everyone's very excited to this video finally to happen. Good. In any case, today we'll be talking, enlightening you about the Cayman GT4 MR 982, right? Yes. Well, yeah. We already did a lap, so I already know how the car feels. It's amazing. But now, first of all, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good to see you on this amazing track day. You have great weather, great cars, great people, and yeah, an interesting line of products, including the Porsche equipment by Manthey.
Yeah, I mean, the equipment story was quite current in the last days and weeks because of the GT2 RS with the equipment package, or with the Manthey performance package, who we were able to do another fast lap with Lars, and therefore the colleagues are here as well.
Yeah, cool. But now let's talk about the car that we tried to talk about over the last weeks, almost months, I think. We just did the lap. It feels amazing. It feels very close to a race car. The only limiting factor is probably the tires at this point, because all the other components are very close to it. Same engine, same suspension, pretty much, I believe. So walk us through the upgrades. What have you changed on the GT4?
Just for the detail, guys, there is a different engine because this is 4.0 and in the race car it's 3.8. So
yeah.
Just in order to avoid comments under the video.
Good. Well, that's good.
But beside this, yeah, we also created a package for the 718 Cayman because, you know, we had several other models before, and so of course we had to do it also for the latest model of the Cayman. The package, just to explain, we did some easy modifications in order to, you know, tweak some screws and get even a little bit more performance out of the car when using it on track, like here at track days and Touristenfahrten. What we did, maybe some guys who are frequently on your channel, they will see that stories repeat. And starting on the front, of course, we're using again our brake pads because the brake PCCB, but also for steel alternatively, is the same like on the 2RS and on the 3RS, as well as on the normal GT3. So it's always the same caliper, the same discs, and so we can use the same pads. Then we have, of course, again the braided lines, and in addition to that, we're using a different fluid for the car. This is the brake side of story. The thing is that we don't need more, so we don't need different discs, we don't need different calipers, everything is fine with that one. Then we move on to the suspension. We're again using three-way upside down suspension, which we developed in cooperation with our partner KW Suspensions.
Can we maybe look underneath the bonnet?
Sure, we can, but we can do it also on the back because then you can see even more.
Okay, we'll do it there.
Then, apart from the suspension side and from the brakes, we of course did an aerodynamic upgrade, but also just a smaller one, which means we have some air guide elements, which we also know from the MR packages of the 2 and 3 RS, and we have an additional gurney on the rear wing.
We need to mention the wheels.
Yeah, the thing is, the wheels is optionally, because for the GT4 we wanted to create a package which is not out of space in terms of pricing.
Yeah.
So we have a basic package which excludes the wheels, but of course you can add the wheels on top if you want to have a second set for tracks, whatever. So the wheels in general are from BBS, is the FIR wheel, which we exclusively offer for the Cayman model here.
Okay.
So we have them again in our signature colors. We have them in brilliant silver, platinum silver, black and gold.
Yeah.
You know, and here there is always, you know, discussions in the sales department because some prefer gold, some prefer the silver. We have one colleague who is really keen on silver. So he made it this time also with the sticker, and we also are quite happy with the outcome of the car. Yeah, and that's pretty it.
Nice.
You know?
So, going back to the aerodynamic elements that you were mentioning. So I believe the gurney flap.
Yeah, exactly.
And
Exactly.
is there also the ducktail? Or?
No,
Okay.
that's all.
That's it?
That's all. We just wanted to shift the aero balance a little bit to the back end, and it's done via the gurney, because again, of course, you can create bigger upgrades, but you know, you always have to find a right number from the base car to the upgrades, which doesn't make sense to offer a kit for a Cayman, which is half the price of the car.
Yeah, absolutely. Because also, if you have to put a bigger wing, you need to also put some gurney or like canard flaps on the front. This increases the price, and this doesn't make sense.
What we did in addition to that here, this part is modified by us, or it's a new one, because with this one we are able to adjust the angle of the wing. And that's pretty it. Okay, we have some add-ons like the toe straps front and rear.
A sticker, very important.
Yeah, the sticker, which is, we learned that it's pretty important
Yes.
for our customers, you know. And well, that's our R&D car. We had a silver one before, but unfortunately we had to return it, and then we were waiting for a new one, and we never know what to expect in terms of options and also colors. But we got an Enzian blue, and I think the color is really cool. Surprisingly, I saw it the first time when we did a GT2 RS MR build, and I saw it on a Taycan. And to be honest, I like it more on a GT4, but it's a really cool color.
I like it. Let's just open up the
Sure.
the rear so we can show the suspension, and then I will be jumping in with that car.
So you can see here, there are the separated reservoirs where you can see the adjustment of compression low and high speed.
Okay, so it's three-way adjustment.
It's three-way, yeah.
Okay.
We have compression in low and high speed and rebound, and of course height. As you can see here on our R&D car, we have some data locking on the car, and we also have the video system in, because we always record the laps and see, and to simply save the stuff which we do in development.
Exactly. Well, it was amazing. I could feel all those upgrades very nicely when I was being on the passenger side, passenger seat, passenger side of the car. First of all, the brake pads, they have very nice initial bite, because you tap them and they were ready to grab into it. That was very nice. Suspension speaks for itself, like a typical, in a very positive sense of the word, MR package. And it's great. Like I said, it almost, to an extent, you could probably see I'm in a way bored, because it's just like so fluent.
Yeah.
So it's,
I mean, at least we had nobody who overtook us, so
yes,
that's fine. You know?
Exactly. So enough talking, enjoy the lap yourself, and I'm gonna jump in the GT3 RS MR together with Bahram. Thanks again, Michael, for amazing info and also amazing lap. See you next time.
You're welcome. Bye bye. I think tire pressures are still too hot, but we will see.
Just a nice and easy cruising lap.
Of course.